Have you ever tried bubble painting? I have not, and today is the day that I will try to do some art journaling with bubble painting. Let's start with the supplies. Here is some water, and then we need some dishwashing soap, and I use fairy. And then we will need a bowl and a straw. First, a good splash of dishwashing soap, and then some acrylic paint. And now let's mix the magic potion. Then it's time to add some water. And stir it like there's no tomorrow. Next comes the yay part, bubbles. So you just blow some air through the straw to the potion. Then you just try to hit the paper with the bubbles. But wait, why are my little bubbles going down the hill like little maniacs? Well, this was my first mistake. No, the second. I started with the inks and it didn't go anywhere. But the surface here isn't flat because I am making this to the art journal. This was a fail and it didn't work. So when you do this, do it to a paper, and when it's finished, then glue it to the art journal. I am starting with the lighter shades, and then I am always adding some darker color to the potion. That way you don't have to change the bubbly water all the time. This bone folder is a very good tool for transferring the bubbles to the paper. Now the bubble painting is ready, and then it's time to glue it to the art journal. And I am starting with some markers, and let's see where this goes. There are many little bubble areas that you can decorate. You can make this into a lovely scenery, Or you can make a mixed media art journal spread with these bubbles. Just go with the flow and see where your art takes you. Hope you enjoy the video. Kiitos, että vietit tämän hetken kanssani taiteilun parissa. Until next time. Moi moi!